Namaste friends, welcome to the Lexcru Rewards app. Today, we will talk about the warranty and replacement feature of our Lexcru Rewards app. We have added some amazing features in the Lexcru Rewards app like upload from gallery, bonus points, bubble menu, easy replacement, monthly scan report. Now onwards, you will be able to check the warranty and replace any product very easily. You just have to open the main scanner and scan the QR code of the product. When you scan the code, the warranty will be shown on the screen. If the pump is under warranty, then the accept button will be shown. Then after clicking on accept, select the issue and confirm the name and number of the technician and click on submit. After that, the main scanner will open. Now after scanning the new product, the old pump will be replaced. You don't have to worry now if you exit the screen after clicking on the accept button, because whenever you scan an old product again with the main scanner, you will directly get the option of replace button. By clicking on it, you can easily replace the old product. After accepting the old product, if you don't have it with you, don't worry while replacing it. Go to the report section, click on the warranty, then click on the replacement report and then click the replace button next to the technician's name and number. Now you can easily replace products by scanning the new one. You can also use the upload from gallery feature when needed. Open the main scanner and click on the upload from gallery feature. Upload the code and after accepting it, you have to scan the code of the new pump so that the old pump can be replaced. You can also easily check the warranty of a new product from the main scanner. For this, by opening the main scanner and scanning the QR code of the product, you can see the warranty on the screen. On scanning any replaced product again, you will see the message "Product is already replaced" on your screen. Thank you for being with Lexcru.